just below my feet, my little tippy toes are pointing at this hurricane. This is now Tropical Storm Genevieve, making its way farther and farther away from the west coast, weakening as it does so and no longer sending us a southerly swell. But what we are seeing is a northerly wind that's actually allowing us to see barely any fog early this morning. It is a lot drier at the surface, and that is the reason that, or at least one of the reasons, that we're seeing a quiet start to our day. And again, we are going to continue to see the heat building, especially across the desert southwest. That's where the most excessive heat warnings are. But across the Central Valley, there are some heat advisories in effect. The Bay Area, though, we're right on the cusp of the worst of the heat. So yes, it's going to be hot here, but it's not going to be as hot as it could be, like the places in the Central Valley are going to be well above that triple-digit mark. Inland East Bay, we are going to be at the triple-digit mark, maybe 101, 102 for places like Antioch over to Fairfield, 100 over near Concord, right around 100 in Livermore. You head closer to the coast in the Bay, and you get more comfortable. That is why we live in the Bay Area, right? It just takes a short drive to actually enjoy some comfortable heat. 80s in Oakland, 70s in San Francisco, and even low 70s along the coast as well today, because they're going to be seeing sunny skies basically all afternoon long and a relatively calm sea breeze. But the issue with the relatively calm sea breeze and the fact that it is coming in from the northerly direction is the fire danger. So today, this is going to be our general wind direction coming in from the north, maybe a little bit of an onshore wind. But by late tonight and into early tomorrow morning, our winds are going to calm down but switch direction, especially across our North Bay mountains. And that is where we are concerned with offshore winds developing. Fire danger is going to be elevated late tonight and into tomorrow, especially because not only are the offshore winds developing, it is also going to be hot out there tomorrow. Once again, inland areas, you are staying in the triple digits in places like Fairfield over to Antioch. North Bay, you're going to be in the mid to lower 90s out there. And even along the coast, once again, you are going to be staying in the 70s for this time of year. Again, that is well above normal, and you are going to be warm through tomorrow. Luckily, though, by the time that we step out into the midweek, we should be cooling down a couple of degrees inland, no longer in the triple digits, but still, it's going to be about 5 to 10 degrees above average for the extended period of time. If we look at our 7-day forecast, you're staying in the 90s inland, at least for the next week, if not potentially getting warmer by late this upcoming week and into next weekend. So the heat, it is not going anywhere anytime soon, although it will be a little bit more comfortable starting Tuesday and continuing into Thursday. Along the coast even, we are going to be staying in the upper 60s to low 70s with a lot more sunshine than we normally see this time of year. So enjoy it if you live along the coast while you can.